In previous video, we had studied the various techniques that can be used to isolate a pure culture. And in this video, we will be discussing how we can identify the bacteria you have isolated in the pure culture. There are mainly three approaches to identify bacteria. One is to study their culture characteristics. Second is to follow their metabolic properties. And third is to check what kind of behavior they have towards the presence or absence of a particular antibiotic. So there are three main approaches to identify the bacteria that you have cultured. One is to study the culture characteristics. Second is the metabolic properties. And third is the antibiotic resistance. Under culture characteristics, first you can observe the shape of the bacteria. There are mainly four types of bacteria. One is the cocci, second bacilli, third vibrio, and fourth spirochetes. Cocci are round or oval shaped, and if the cocci come in pairs, they are called diplococci, and if they are in chains, they are streptococci, and if they form irregular grooves, they are staphylococci. So by observing under the microscope, by seeing what is the type of pattern they form, you can identify which type of bacteria it is. I have cited a few examples under each category. Next is the bacilli, which are stick-like or rod-like structures. They come in chains, or they come in branches, or they mass together, or they form structures which are similar to Chinese letters. So by observing what type of structure they form, and by observing it under the microscope, you can identify which type of bacteria you have isolated in the pure culture. And vibrios are slightly curved rods, and they have one flagellum, and they are very quick in their motility. In this figure, vibrio cholerae is shown. So if you observe a comma-like structure with a flagellum, you can say that you have isolated vibrios. Spirochetes are coiled structures, and they too have rapid body movements. They come in three main groups: trichoniums, Borrelia, and leptospires. As seen in the figure, they have different structures, different kinds of shapes. So by observing these shapes under a microscope, you can identify which type of spirochete you have isolated. Second aspect under culture characteristic is the morphology of bacterial colony. So you can observe the shape of the colony, or the elevation of the colony, or margin or surface of the colony. The colonies of bacteria come in various shapes. For example, circular, irregular, filamentous, or rhizoid. And elevation is the side view of the colony, which also have different patterns like flat, raised, umbonate, etc. And margins or edge of the colony also have different shapes: undulate, lobate, curled, filiform, etc. By observing these aspects, also you can identify the type of bacteria you have isolated. Third under culture characteristics is by staining techniques, under which comes the differential staining or Gram staining, acid-fast staining, or Ziehl-Neelsen staining. In Gram staining, first you stain the bacterial culture with crystal violet and then treat it with iodine as a mordant, and on addition of iodine the color intensifies, and on ethanol washing, if the bacteria you have isolated is Gram positive, it will retain the color, whereas Gram negative bacteria loses its color, loses the purple color, and these can be counter stained with safranin. So under a culture, under a microscope, if it is having a mixed culture of Gram positive and Gram negative, Gram positives will appear purple and Gram negative bacteria will appear red. The next staining technique is the acid-fast staining or Ziehl-Neelsen staining. Here, the bacterial culture is heat fixed and treated with carbol fusion. All the bacterial cells are stained red, and on treating this culture with acidified ethanol, only the mycobacterium retains a red color, whereas rest of the bacterial cells loses its color. And these cells can be counterstained with methylene blue or malachite green. So in a mixed culture, mycobacteria will appear red, whereas rest of the bacteria will look green. This is a mixed culture of Gram positive and Gram negative bacteria. Gram positive is appearing purple, whereas Gram negative is appearing red. And here, after acid-fast staining, mycobacteriums are red colored and rest of the bacteria are green colored.